Good morning, guys, because it is morning. I am gonna record this video just to explain you what you will do in this activity, okay? In this lesson, okay? As you know, we are working in the lesson number 2 of Unit 5, okay? So I will explain you so quickly. Here we have a text, an article that is about traveling. The main topic in the lesson or the theme is traveling, okay? Trips and vacation and those things. Now, in the exercise number 1, we have some vocabulary. Look at the instructions. Circle all the words directly connected with travel. You will click here on this exercise and you just will select if the word is related or has to do with the action of traveling. For example, backpack. Backpack means mochila, okay? So, is it related to travel? Yes, of course. So, I click on here. Then you are going to listen to the audio, and it is really important to listen and repeat the words, okay? If the audio say backpack, and you have to say backpack in your house, yeah? Because that is important to improve your pronunciation. Then we have the exercise number 2 that is about verbs and nouns. If you don't remember, a noun o un sustantivo, noun, son las cosas, ¿ok? ¿Qué es un verbo? What is a verb? The actions. Eat, run, walk. Nouns are things or people or animals, ¿ok? A cup, a cell phone, my mom, my dad, etc. ¿Ok? So here you are going to say if the words are verbs or noun. For example, backpack. Backpack, as I told you, is mochila. Mochila no es una acción. Tú no puedes mochilar, ¿ok? No se puede hacer. Entonces es una cosa. That is a noun. That's it. That is the exercise number 2. I'm sorry, I'm just going a little bit quickly because of the time of the video. Then we have those questions. What's the difference between journey, trip, and travel? And that's it. You can answer the questions. I don't remember if this is in the chart, but the chart is in Teams. Acuérdense que el cuadrito de las actividades que van a entregar está en Teams. No me acuerdo si está. Si está, es responderlas en el cuaderno. Si no está, solo analícenlas, ¿ok? In the exercise number 4, well, 5, because 4 is like an introduction, we will read the article and just write the correct name. Aquí tenemos acciones y depende del texto, ustedes van a decir o van a escribir ahí si Cheryl likes to be ready for anything, o si Aaron likes to be ready, or both. ¿Qué era both? What is the meaning of both? Ambos, okay? Then, we continue. Cover and circle the, oh no, this is not. Okay, so here in the next grammar, sorry, we are going to talk about 3 words or 3 expressions. Might, will, probably, and may. So I have a presentation over here to show you, but that is really easy, okay guys? This is about might, may, and will probably. As you can see here, we are using those modal verbs. ¿Qué son esas palabras? Modal verbs, okay? Son modales. Those are some words to express some things more formally, yeah? Now, what are the meanings of those words? When you use might, it's because you are expressing something, but you are not really sure, actually almost not sure, because here we represent might with a 30%. Eso es como el porcentaje de qué tan seguro yo estoy de lo que estoy diciendo, ¿ok? O de lo que estoy prediciendo. Entonces, utilizamos might when you are 30%, that is maybe, but I am not really sure. Oh, this is might. May, when you are almost sure, this is like 50-50 or 60, a little bit more than 50, may. And will probably is when you are almost sure, okay? Here I represent those examples with those pictures about raining or about the weather, okay? This is the formula, subject, modal, verb in present, okay? En complement. Si yo quiero hablar, puedo hablar de lo que sea obviamente, pero por ejemplo, si aquí les puse el ejemplo del clima, the weather, okay? So, it is like the weather, might rain. Why? Look at the picture. It is a little bit cloudy, nublado, but not so much, okay? I am not really sure, so I will say it might rain. If this is more cloudy, this is like more probably, I'm gonna say it may rain. But if the sky is really dark and the weather is terrible, look at this picture, you are almost sure that rain is coming, right? So you will say it will probably rain because I am almost sure. Look at the sky, okay? That's the idea. So let's go back to the book. We are going to answer this based on the information I told you, and then we will continue with this, okay? Can you find, no. Number 10, in groups of 3, you have 6 minutes to agree on 6 things. Here, I guess this is in the chart, but here you can just practice or write in your notebook, but it is better to practice with sentences, okay? Think about them. Traten de inventar o traten de analizar 2 things that will probably happen tomorrow, 2 things that may happen, and 2 things that might happen, okay? Traten de decirlas. Si está en la tabla, las van a entregar escritas, okay? Pero si no, ustedes practíquenlas. Will probably happen, okay? Si ya me pagaron y si quedé con mi amiga de ir al café, supongamos, okay? So I can say, I will probably see my friend tomorrow, okay? Because it is possible. Tomorrow I have some free time, I have money, so it is really possible. Si no me han pagado y mañana trabajo, well, I can think. I might see my friend tomorrow, but I don't think so. Okay, that's the idea. Now here we have some vocabulary to learn. Look at this. This is about clothes. Read the 6 tips for traveling light. Which one do you think is the most useful? Useful, if you don't remember, is útil. So which tip over here or suggestion is the most useful for you? Okay. Here we are going to circle. This is not possible because here you are working on an ebook, yeah. But you can identify the clothing in the tips. For example, here, back on top, on pair of socks. Okay, socks is clothing, yeah. Try to identify them. Then work in pairs, cover the themes and complete the advice. This is by memory, guys, okay? So if you want to practice in this exercise, it is just ignore this, not ignore, but read them, the tips, and then cover them. Cover them is like cubrirlas. Don't look at them or don't read them. And try to remember the last part of this. For example, check the weather forecast if you are going to travel. I don't know, okay? So here we have check the weather forecast where you are going and only pack suitable clothes, okay? So that's the advice or the suggestion. I have to try to remember it, yeah? Then we have an audio. This is about this sound, okay? So you can click on it, listen to the audio. I am having problems. That's it, okay? This is just to practice, okay? Aquí no van a presentar nada, pero es para practicar el sonido de la sh, okay? Sheep, shop, Russian, that's it, okay? So as I told you, listen to the audio and practice, repeat each word. Then, I am sorry, I am having problems right now with a book. Okay, but listen and okay, I can listen right now and that's it, fortunately. Okay, so listen and repeat the tongue twist. This is funny, okay? This is a tongue twister. This is like Pepe Pecas Pica Papas. This is a tongue twister. You can just listen to the audio and try to memorize it and then say it by yourselves. And this is not going to be done, okay? If you want to listen to it, it is okay, but I am not gonna check it. This is just, the audio says some instructions and you try to follow them. And then finally, think about the questions and share your ideas with a partner. These are to analyze. I guess this is not going to be delivered, but you can read the questions, analyze them, which of the traveling tips aren't very useful, and try to answer them. one more time. Si lo pide la tabla, pero creo que no lo pide, no lo recuerdo no, lo van a escribir en el cuaderno, pero si no, solamente la pueden analizar, ¿ok? That's everything. No les dije van a hacer esto, van a hacer lo otro, más bien les expliqué como en la clase, ¿ok? Todo lo que hay, de qué se trata cada ejercicio, ya si ustedes quieren hacerlo, si no viene en la tabla no es necesario, bueno, no es obligatorio, pero sí es necesario, ¿ok? Well, that's everything, guys. Thank you so much.